Okay, here's a demo of the Roland TR77 rhythm drum unit. We have a adjustable music rest here. Okay, you can just lock it in there, and then bring it down if you want to. It's the power on and off switch, and then there's metronome. Get faster or slower. There's a fade out. So if say you're playing a beat, a rhythm, it fades out for you, and you can make the fading out shorter or longer depending on your needs. Then you have the start button there, just a touch, very light touch, and on and off. On this left section here are 10 Latin rhythms. So I'm going to go through each of these rhythms, and then here they're more conventional rhythms. So let's try the Latin rhythm, rumba. So start, make it slower, and you can add this effect of 2-beat effect. Gives it a bit more bass there. So I'll just leave that on the 2-beat. Now you have the begin, it's the next rhythm. Once again, faster, slower, cha-cha. So on some of these rhythms here, you can actually adjust this what they call a gyro effect. Since the percussion, you bring down the sound, otherwise you can bring it right up. Okay, you can make it the volume softer as well, or louder. Now the next beat is mambo. Bring it down. Bring down the snare. Okay, bring it up. Now the next beat is samba 1. And then samba 2. Louder samba, slower. Okay, and then we try the bossa nova here. Bayon. Bolero. And lastly, you have tango. Okay, those are the Latin beats. So cancel here. Now we go to rock 1 and 2, rock and roll 1 rather. Make it slower. Rock and roll 2. Slow rock. Ballad. Western. Six/8 march. Jazz waltz. Normal waltz. Okay, and cancel. And so for each of these variations, you can also have a 4-beat effect. Just gives it a bit more faster bass, I think, more bass to it. 4-beat. Now, then the next thing you have here, you have more variations of beats here. Say on a 2-beat, you have a foxtrot here. This is a foxtrot. Swing 1. March. Parade. And then you also, this was all just 2-beat variations, and then you have the 4-beat variation here of foxtrot 2. swing 2, swing 3, and shuffle. And you can combine any of these rhythms here with anything here as well. So if you leave it on Foxtrot 2 or something, then you press ballad. So it combines these two together, and also with the Latin rhythms. So it's combining the Foxtrot 2 with Begin. So you can, there are like 4 different variations for each of those 2 and 4 beats that you can combine with the Latin section or the conventional beats. Okay, so there you have it. That's the TR 77. And at the back of the unit, you can see this is just connecting to the amplifier, the jet here, and there are 2 output, the high impedance and the low impedance output sockets, and then there's also the start switch for the foot switch to automatically switch on and off the drum unit. Okay, that's the Roland Rhythm 77.